do question 22 and 23, and then we're done. So that's 1 and minus 1. That's what sine goes between. So if we start at 0, we go up, we go down, and we go around. We do need to know these off by heart for the non-calc paper. So 90 is 1 and 270 is minus 1. Solve the equation 2 sine x equals minus 1. So if 2 sine x equals minus 1, and that's for just being between 0 and 360, so that means sine x equals minus a half. And I know that sine x, if this is, oh god, that was really badly drawn. I know that if sine x, I think I've done this on another video, but if we draw this, so if there'd originally been an equilateral triangle, this would be 1, this would be half, and this would be 30. And I don't know what I do know what that would be, but I can't really be bothered. So sine, this is a right angle triangle. So this would be opposite and this would be hypotenuse. So sine of 30 equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is half over 1, which means it's half. So I know that 30, so for half, that comes in at 30. And that comes in, as a result, at 180 minus 30, which is 150. So I'm guessing, because it's all based on symmetry, that the same thing is true here. So 180 plus 30 is 210. And that will go there, and that would equal minus a half. Well, if I did that properly, it would anyway. And then that would be, based on that, I'm estimating that it would come out as 360 minus 30, so 330. So I think the answer to this is 210 and 330. And there isn't anything between 0 and 180 because all of sine is positive at that stage. So let's now look at the last thing. We've got a circle with the centre 0, 0. And so I'm going to draw a little appalling circle, I would imagine. Let's just see what I can do. So that's our circle. I mean, that's just superb. Right, L is a straight line. The circle and the L intersect at points P and Q. And the coordinates of P are 5, 10. Okay, and the coordinate of Q is, the x coordinate of Q is minus 2. L has a positive gradient and crosses the x-axis at 0k. Find the value of k. Okay, so let's have a little think. So the coordinates of P are 5, 10. So I don't know if that's, so let's just say that's 5, that's 10. And then let's go 5, 10. And then the x coordinate of Q is minus 2. I don't know how good this is going to be as a drawing. So if that's the case, then that would be there. So the x coordinate of Q is somewhere on that line. L has a positive gradient, crosses the y-axis at something. Find the value of k. At the front, oh, P and Q. Okay, so it does actually overlap. So that actually goes there. And then this one is at minus 2. So we know, okay, that's something. So we know we can find the, so based on this, we can find the radius of the circle. So I think that's what I'm inclined to do right now. So if we know the radius of the circle is 5, 10, that means that we know that it goes 5 that way and 10 that way. It's 10, that's 5. So we know that the radius is 10 squared, it's the square root of 10 squared plus 5 squared. So it would be root 125. Okay, I'm going to leave that there for a moment. So that means, where does the radius cross -2? So that would be there. Oh, interesting. So if we then went, this is not like that. This is 0, and this is -2, so that's 2. And what the question being root 125, that's quite good. So what is the square root of root 125 squared minus, because it's 2 plus 2, yeah, -2 squared. So that would be 125 minus 4 rooted equals root 121, which is 11. Okay, so we now know that that's 11 and that's -2. So now we have 2 points. So we found P is 5, 10. Q is -2. Oh, and it's also, is it 11? Because it could be plus or minus 11. So it's -11, because otherwise that doesn't work, because that would put it there. And that's not a positive gradient, so let's go -11. Now we'll do, to find out where it crosses the y-axis, we'll firstly find the gradient. So let's just write y equals mx plus c. So m equals y equals, let's use 10 minus -11 over 5 minus -2 plus c. So that is y equals 21 over 7. That's right. X plus c, so y equals 3x plus c. Now let's go, so that means that, what does that mean? Oh, to find c, let's put in 5 and 10, so 10 equals 15 plus c, so c equals -5, and that is where it crosses. Does that make sense? Oh, so it crosses there-ish, which actually makes more sense than my drawing would let on. And that is the end. I really hope that's right.